What up, guys? Tech King here with King City Customs. So I'm gonna do a quick little update video. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time and I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna try to do a one take. I don't want to have to do any editing to this video. I'm hoping that I can not screw up and say some bad stuff or say the wrong stuff or show something that I don't really want shown yet, that sort of thing. King City Customs has had a lot of changes made lately within the last couple months since we uploaded any videos. As you can see, we've got a lot of vehicles here on the lot. Wall 415-inch Sundown Audio U series, Wall 24 Scar 12s, Wall 8 Rockford T012. That truck is actually not being worked on. That guy is here, and then that truck is probably getting a Wall for 315s, or we might do a street build. Probably going to be a Wall. We've been doing a lot of Walls lately. No, that's not the only thing that we do. I know it seems like that, but that's not the case. And then this right here, as you know, the uke box. I sold base pool, and it's been passed around. It's long gone. I haven't seen it in a month or so. And then I bought a new daily driver for my daughter and I. And so now this is going to be the new King City Customs shop demo truck. And we're probably going to do 618s in there. The original plan, I've talked and thrown stuff back and forth. We're not quite ironed out on that yet, but you'll see. After I find somebody to edit videos for me, we'll be doing a lot more videos where I can just make the videos, a couple clips, and hand them to somebody else, and they take care of filtering out all the bull crap and little pauses here and there. And sometimes I leave the camera running for like 30 minutes and there's nothing even in the shot, you know, just little things like that. I'm currently in the process of finding somebody to take care of that for me. So a couple changes that have been made to King City Customs. Number one, we built an office / showroom, which is super exciting. Sorry about the sun, guys. Super exciting to me because I hadn't even thought about the fact that I didn't have a showroom until I got a hold of Sundown Audio. And Sundown Audio was like, hey, yeah, you know, you can be a dealer for us, that's cool. We just need pictures of your storefront and your showroom. I said, my storefront, my what? No, I'm just kidding. But so let me take you guys inside here real quick. So right now we've got Scar on the shelves. We've got some Scar door speakers when you first walk in, amplifiers. Scar's out of stock of a lot of things right now, so slim pickings, even Sundown is. Now today, I received the first order we placed for Sundown. Slim pickings there as well, especially on amplifiers, but that's okay. We'll get there, you know, slowly but surely. Yeah, we've got our new concepts, amp kits. I've got to order some more zero gauge. I've sold out of those. We've got our OFC on the left and copper clad aluminum on the right. Then we've got just some stereo install kits. Walmart brand. I know guys, I'm sorry. A buddy of mine had them. I couldn't pass them up. He practically gave them to me. I'm not selling them for expensive. $10 probably. Probably not even that. I mean, it depends if you buy a radio from me and that it takes one of those dash kits. I'll honestly probably just give it to you because, like I said, they were practically given to me. But we also had ADT come in and put an alarm system. I don't know if you guys seen that we had cameras put up or not. We've had cameras. We've got a couple here on the front of the building. I don't know if you can see that one. Then there's one on the side there, one on the side here. The bowling alley's also got plenty of cameras watching over the parking lot here. So, and then we've got a couple inside as well. But yeah, you walk out of the showroom into the shop. You know, we've been trying to make the most of what we got here because we don't have a lot of room. We're trying to clean this area up. We had this area clean at one point, and then we just kind of got overloaded with work and had to shove a bunch of stuff back there. We got a couple boxes, under seat box for a truck that we're working on, a 215 box that we built for a guy, and then he decided he wanted more, so we went 415s. got the old box back on trade. We do accept our old boxes that we built back in on trade. We won't give you the whatever you paid for it, obviously, because I'm just trying to help you guys out when you go to upgrade or change up your setup. And so, you know, like for instance, I want to say that box was like probably like $225, $250 new. I gave him $150 for that box. So again, just giving you a general idea here. But we moved a lot of the bowling alley stuff off of these shelves up to top storage. That was another reason that the office came in handy, is because this whole corner was basically the bowling alley's crap anyway. So all I did was took their stuff, picked it up off the ground about 8 foot, and built an office and slash showroom underneath it. Speaking of, the showroom still gotta get the floor painted and some trim around the doors and trim around the bottom, you know, around the baseboard trim sort of thing. So, but yeah, we're trying to get this place organized, guys. You know, we've been super busy. Like right now we're making some custom baffles for a big build, and that's what TJ is working on, my man TJ right here. And as soon as that's done, we're gonna be starting on a box for 415s, a street build. So again, like I said, guys, we don't just do walls, but we're one of the few shops in the area that actually do walls and produce great results. I'm not bashing anybody, that's not my goal here, guys. I'm not crap talking any builder or business. I'm just saying that I don't know of a lot of other businesses in the Southern Illinois area that do walls. So that's why we end up with a lot of wall builds. So, but yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, we're trying to get it popping in here. This is gonna have air conditioning eventually. Like I said, we still got some beauty work to do in here. Like I said, paint the floor, yada, yada, yada. But we are getting there. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I will be uploading more videos soon, I promise. I'm so sorry. Life has been crazy. Everybody got them Trump checks, and it's been hard to get anything else done around here besides builds for customers. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to King City Customs. Check us out at kingcitycustoms.com or facebook.com/kingcitycustoms. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.